So, like if you see any definition anywhere for the Salesforce, you find what is cloud-based and what is CRM. So first let us understand what is cloud-based actually. Have you remember when you were in like a intermediate or in your SSE, you used to use the Microsoft Excel. Even now we are using Microsoft Excel, but the complete Excel, I mean the what we say Paint and the other Microsoft applications are now became browser based or even means you can access those things even in the Google itself. Yes or no? But before it was only we can only use those softwares on your desktop. You remember? You're not seeing my screen yet, right?
We are able to see this.
You're able to see, right? My screen.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, suppose let us say if I want to go with a like a cloud-based software, then I should go to the Google. Okay. Then I should type Excel. So we used to have direct, now we are having direct option to open the Excels in the Google itself. Okay. Even the Google Sheets we have. You can see here, right? Google Sheets we have. But before this, when we were studying, or even you in before like a almost 6 to 7 years back, we used to have Excel. Okay. So this Excel which I am accessing here and this sheets or Excel which I can access in the browser is having the only minute difference. Okay. Whatever the data you store in this Excel sheets, okay, will be stored. The data which you save in this Excel sheets will be saved into your machine, right? Into your desktop. Yes or no? Into your desktop. But the same data, okay, the same data, if I one second, if I go to the sheets, okay, hmm, it's loading. Yeah. If I go to the sheets, which is in the browser, then that data, okay, that data if I save it, it won't get saved in my local machine. Where the data will be stored? In the browser itself, right? In the cloud. We say in the server or the cloud. Yes or no? Means even if I lose my this desktop, I can access the data from my mobile. Yes or no? From my mobile. Even if I lost my mobile also, I can access the data or the sheet from any other person's computer by just logging into the my Gmail account. Okay. So where exactly the data stored or where exactly this sheets application is monitored? Somewhere in the cloud, right? Internet itself is a cloud. We say cloud. Somewhere in the cloud, somewhere in the servers, we have this data, we have this application. Are you installing this sheets application into your PC? Come out of the mute. No one are charging you. If you come out of the mute, please speak out. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Be unmuted. It's free for you to talk. Okay. Don't get hesitated to talk. Okay. If you improve your communication, then only we can interact more. Okay. You're not paying for the YouTube classes. You're paying for the live classes. Okay. So please be interactive. Now, so whatever the data, okay, whatever the data I store here, okay, that complete thing, if I click on save, okay, if I click on save, this complete thing will be saved somewhere in the cloud, okay, somewhere in the internet we say or servers we say. But but if I open my Excel sheet which is installed in my local PC in my or laptop, if I save it, then click on save, Control S, it will ask me. This is OneDrive. OneDrive now itself, now in recent years, it became famous because this is also a cloud. OneDrive means it's a good online account for us, but generally we will be using here. Okay, we'll be using like this. So my data got saved into my local machine itself. If I lose my PC, can I access the data?
No. No.
No.
No.
Okay. My application is lost anyway. If I install that application in another PC also, in another person's PC, and try to access the data, you don't find the same data. Again, the blank sheet will open for you. But whatever I saved here in the Google Sheets, even if I lose my data, still I have my data. Where exactly my data is? In the servers. Okay. Your data, your application, both are monitored or maintained or installed in the servers. This type of application where the data is monitored, maintained, or installed, even along with the application, those kind of softwares or applications are called as cloud-based softwares. Okay, cloud-based. Clear this point?
Yes.
Yeah.
On premises, in the sense,
Yeah.
on your premises, on your desktop. Okay, not only in the desktop. There used to be a decade back, before this AWS, Amazon Web Service, Amazon servers, there used to be concept of mainframes, and before that there used to be another concept called local servers. Local servers in the sense there used to be in a company there used to be 10 people working on particular project. So their complete project's data used to be in few connected servers. There used to be connected servers. Okay, there used to be connected servers where each of the PC is connected through the wiring to that servers. Okay, that's in that server. In this pieces, we not used to have the applications like Excel, whatever, the project related application, the banking application, whatever. But in those local server, not somewhere in the cloud servers, in the local servers, we used to have the application, we used to have the database, and we used to have the maintenance of these applications, the complete whatever the software related to software means there are few utility softwares we say. So the complete thing will be in the local servers. This kind of concept is also called as on premises only, because if the server is lost, you are lost. Okay, that is maintained by you. The headache of maintaining that local server in your room, which is connected to these 10 pieces. Okay, the local server is the CPU. You know the CPU concept, right? Even in the recent, even now now we are using the CPUs. Even the Apple uses CPU and the monitor desktop, right? So we used to have the connected CPU. That CPU is nothing but a server which can have the huge capacity. So these all are like connected desktop for that, which have own individual small CPUs. So this kind of concept is also a on premises. Even even you they are complete, the data is stored in the servers. Then also you say this is a on premises because the headache of maintaining those softwares, the data is on you. But when it comes to now recent years, whatever the web application websites you take, the complete software architecture, the application itself is getting hosted in the cloud servers, means in the internet. All you need to do is just you need to have a browser and the internet connection. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Suppose if I want to log into let's say Facebook, if I want to log into Facebook, I just say log into, just open their browser link. Okay, then I give my credentials. Okay, okay, I don't go like this, open Facebook. Okay, even now I have that application, but even this application is connected in the backend to the cloud-based servers only. The data will not be saved again into your local machines. Okay, so you have your browser, you have your credentials, and you log into the Facebook account. So in whatever the PC you go, you can access your data, your photos, videos. Yes or no? So, but where exactly the data in the application are? In the in the cloud servers.
Cloud.
Okay. Now, Salesforce is also one of such cloud-based softwares. You have the link. Okay. You have the link. Salesforce login. Okay. Your company, your company will give you the credentials to log into that server. I mean, to their website or to the Salesforce platform or organization. We just say simply the Salesforce org. If I have my company, I need to provide you the access to my system. So my org, I say my org, I'll give you the access. So org concepts. Okay. So like this, companies will provide you the org access. Now, if I have okay, if I have this company this application developed in my local PC, I recruited few people, 10 people. What I need to do? This 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 software I need to set up, install in each and every person's application, right? I mean, each and every person's desktop, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Means installation is a headache for me. Then I need to grant access to each and every person by logging into their system and providing the access and everything. I can provide access from my desktop also, the admin desktop, but the headache of installing the softwares, maintaining the softwares on each and every PC is on me. But now if I talk about the Salesforce or any such softwares which are cloud based, the headache is not on me. I just simply ask the Salesforce company to provide 10 user licenses for me. So what the company will give me? It will provide license for me for 10 users. So it's simply, I'll just show you like a small demo kind of. Let me open the existing playground. My bad, my internet is very slow today. So this is the admin desktop, admin Salesforce account. So I'll just go to the settings. Okay, I already requested my company to provide users for 10, provide licenses for 10 people. So just I'll go to the settings. I'll ask you, you are 6 people now. So I'll ask you all, if you are my employees. So I'll ask you all to provide your email addresses. I'm getting the reason. Can someone mute it? Yeah. So here, these are the users. I just click on new user and enter your credentials and create your password, name, everything. Then you'll get the mail saying you have got access to the Kalyan's org. My org name is like this is my org name now. Let us suppose. I mean, this is a test environment. This is not actual production. So this is like a playground for us. Okay, dev environment we can say. Is it clear?
Yes.
So So this is very simple way of maintaining the users. If I want to remove a user, just I'll go and deactivate the user. So simply I can manage using my point clicks. I don't need to install anything, set up anything on each and every desktop. Okay. So the maintenance and everything is not my headache. The complete headache is maintained by the company itself. I mean the Salesforce who developed this application. We are just the users, okay? And if suppose Infosys is having 10,000 users, so it won't install the Salesforce software in each and every person's desktop. It just give the access, okay? By sitting anywhere, the person give access to the I mean access to a user who is sitting anywhere in the world. Okay, clear? Suppose if I
Yes.
want,
Yeah, yeah.
if you again think back like about the Excel sheet, just I can say that if I want to share this, means share means in the sense, if I want to give access to someone, just what I do, I click on share and I type the email address. Okay, then I send it. So they'll get the edited access now. So this is a simple way. But if suppose if I want to send this file, I need to open a mail, I need to attach this as attachment and send it. So which is a better option? Cloud based, obviously. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Then why still the people are using on-premises? There are few companies or there are few software which are still on premises. The only reason is, like we say, it's highly secure. The data will not be in the internet. No hackers can hack it. So which are a high end application, are like you say missile based application in the DRDOs or in satellite based systems. So in such scenarios we use the on premises application still. Okay, even the banking softwares will have their own servers, own local servers. I have told you the concept of local servers, not the cloud servers, right? Even still the banking applications are having such systems itself. Okay. Now AWS and these are providing high security, but still the things are in control in such scenarios. So where the control is needed most on the data, we are still using on-premises application itself. Okay, clear? Not clear? This what is cloud-based architecture?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, we'll take a 5 minutes break. Okay, Google something about cloud-based architecture or on-premises tools. Just Google something, you'll get some data. We'll be back in 5 minutes and we'll talk about what is CRM. Okay, why Salesforce is a CRM platform. What are the other CRM platforms available for us in the market? Okay. Same link
Yeah.
you need to join again. I'll end this meeting. Same link you will be joining again. Okay? In 5 minutes. At 6:15 we'll meet back. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.